Hello everybody, Mr. Balisong with a first impression of the new Squiggles. The Squiggle handles, version 2. This has the diamond patterns on them. I will be throwing them onto an alt replicant. I just wanted to, do a little time lapse of an installation because I've already done a Squiggle scale installation video. I just want to do a time lapse of me installing these and then give you a first impression because I'm going to be doing both the spacers and the handles. And I'm very excited to see how these compare to the old ones. So without further ado, I will zoom out and we will begin the time lapse. I just want to stop for a second. Of course, the build quality on Squiggles is insanely high quality. It's gorgeous in every way. The machining patterns are just breathtaking, and they feel so nice. So nice. Time for the dissection. This is the easiest time I've ever had taking a replicant apart. The person who owned this before me, Mr. Ryan CCC98, he did a fucking gorgeous job taking care of this thing. And I thank you for that. You saved my ass a lot of time. Alright, that is the replicant fully apart. Now what's next, other than to put it right the fuck back together? So the cool thing about Squiggle scales, if you did not know, I will share this very quick. It eliminates the need for the titanium liners. All you need are the Zen pins and the spacers. But in this case, I actually have Squiggle's new spacers that he made. No, it wouldn't be a replicant disassembly if there wasn't one sticky piece. And in this situation, it's the Zen Pin. Alright, I can promise you something was wrong with that spacer. No question. That Zen Pin, I mean. So we have ourselves a new Zen Pin. This actually brings up, this is a hilarious point. It actually brings up something that's awesome about these handles. So the issue with the Zen Pin is it has screws broken off on the inside. So it seems useless, yeah? Well, it's actually not, because even though the Zen Pin is broken off on the inside, the screw's broken off on the inside, you stick it in there, and then look. There's nowhere to screw it on top. It just sits there flush. And look at, you've got a usable Zen Pin. So the design of these beautiful handles actually saved my ass. And that's that. We are just putting on the finishing touches, the final couple bits. And we are done. And that is it. The fully assembled Squiggle V2. just stunning. Let's get some oil on this. Of course, we must weigh the beast. 127 grams, it's not what I was looking for. 4.477 ounces. Right in the middle of what you expect. Near a normal replicant size, actually. So, it's got, look at the booze. It's got ring to it. Now, it's no Reaper ring, but it is a nice ring. What a beautiful thing. These are great. These are grippy as hell. I'll say I don't think the design looks as nice as the V1, but I will sure as hell say I think the design is much grippier and better for flipping than the V1. So this has been it's a short little video on the assembly. First impressions of the V2 Squiggles. I'd say they're insanely high quality, as you expect with Mr. Squiggle. The spacers are nice. They look nice. They go all the way to the end. And they're just very good. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.